Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of mainland. A large continuous extent of land that includes the greater part of a country or territory, as opposed to offshore islands and detached territories. For example, the mainland of Europe. American pronunciation. Mainland. Mainland. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Mainland. Say, mainland. Mainland means large continuous extent of land that includes greater part of country or territory. Mainland. Mainland. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The geological fault lines underlying the eruptions stretch to the Italian mainland. Now, repeat after me. The geological fault lines underlying the eruptions stretch to the Italian mainland. The second practice. A decade ago, private art collectors on the mainland were virtually unheard of. Now, repeat after me. A decade ago, private art collectors on the mainland were virtually unheard of.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.